Global supply chains are changing rapidly, and Southeast Asia is becoming a critical center of that transformation. Among the region's rising economies, one country is standing out for its growing influence in manufacturing and international logistics. Southeast Asia is becoming one of the world's most important logistics regions, and Vietnam is rapidly positioning itself at the center of this development. With strong manufacturing growth, expanding port systems, and deeper integration into global trade, the country is emerging as a strategic gateway for regional and international supply chains. One of its strongest advantages is geography. Located along major maritime routes that link Northeast Asia with Europe, the Middle East, and the Americas, the country benefits from more than 3,200 kilometers of coastline and proximity to key shipping corridors. This position allows vessels to reach major hubs such as Singapore, Hong Kong, Shenzhen, and Manila within just a few days. Its closeness to China also creates an advantageous link for companies looking to diversify production while staying connected to global sourcing networks. Port infrastructure has grown significantly over the past decade. The nation now operates over 45 commercial seaports, including several deep water facilities capable of receiving some of the world's largest container vessels. Ports such as Kai Mep Thi Vai, Haiphong, and Da Nang have become essential gateways for exports ranging from electronics to textiles. Continuous upgrades in capacity and efficiency have enabled a double-digit growth in container throughput, placing the country among the fastest expanding maritime markets in Asia. A second major driver is manufacturing. The economy has evolved into a global production base, attracting billions in foreign direct investment. Leading companies such as Samsung, Apple, Nike, and Adidas have expanded operations, creating strong demand for logistics services. A young workforce, competitive labor costs, and supportive government policies make the country an attractive destination for industries including electronics, footwear, furniture, machinery, and apparel. As production grows, so does the volume of goods moving through ports, airports, and industrial zones. Multimodal transport capability further strengthens its logistics landscape. Maritime transport remains the backbone, connecting exporters to major global markets. Air cargo hubs in the north and south handle large volumes of high-value products such as smartphones and garments, while the new Long Thanh International Airport is expected to elevate the country's role in ASEAN air freight. Rail connections link the country with China and extend it all the way to Europe, enabling cargo to reach destinations in roughly 15 to 20 days, faster than sea and more economical than air. Meanwhile, an expanding highway network and improved cross-border routes support efficient trucking throughout mainland Southeast Asia. Cost competitiveness also enhances the country's logistics appeal. Labor costs, warehouse rents, trucking rates, and port handling charges remain lower than in many regional markets. This supports both manufacturers seeking to reduce overall supply chain expenses and logistics providers looking to establish regional distribution centers. Trade agreements play a critical role in global integration. Through participation in the CPTPP, EVFTA, RCEP, and the ASEAN Free Trade Area, the country gains access to more than 2.5 billion consumers. These agreements lower tariffs, simplify customs procedures, and encourage companies to use the country not only as a production base, but also as a distribution point for the wider region. Government investment has accelerated logistics development. Projects such as the North-South Expressway, La Huyen Deep Sea Port, Long Thanh Airport, and multiple logistics parks are improving nationwide connectivity. Digital initiatives, smart customs platforms, and modern cold chain infrastructure continue to raise service quality and reduce transit times. However, several challenges remain. Logistics costs are still relatively high as a share of GDP. Congestion at major ports, limited rail capacity, fragmented industry structure, and uneven technology adoption pose obstacles to long-term competitiveness. Developing a more skilled logistics workforce will also be essential for meeting future demand. Even with these challenges, the outlook is highly promising. Larger deep water ports, growing e-commerce logistics, expanding cold chain networks, and increased automation will shape the next phase of growth. As supply chains across Asia continue to evolve, The country is transforming from a low-cost manufacturing base into a strategic logistics gateway, one that plays an increasingly important role in regional and global trade. As the region continues to develop, this logistics landscape will keep evolving, and the country's role within global supply chains will become even more significant. If you'd like to explore more insights on international trade, logistics, and global transportation, consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us bring more high-quality content to viewers around the world.